हेलो, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल। कैसे हैं आप? आई होप ये सीरीज़ आपको पसंद आ रहा है। तो अगर रिकैप किया जाए ना, तो लास्ट एपिसोड में क्या देखा कि एट्रेयस का कुछ हिडन पावर जिसके बारे में क्रेटोस को पता नहीं था, और एपिसोड का एंड होते होते थॉर का विजिट। अब ज़्यादा लेट ना करते हुए अपने स्टार्ट करते हैं और देखते हैं कि थॉर आया क्यों है।
Can I come in? I have meat.
मीड क्या होता है?
Would not fight
कुछ वाइन टाइप का होता है क्या?
I'm sure we'll
मे भी
find
शायद होता होगा।
lots to talk about.
थॉर का हाइट कितना ज़्यादा है क्रेटोस से। पता है, थॉर का हाइट देखने से मुझे क्या याद आ रहा है? हरक्यूलिस का हाइट भी तो ज़्यादा था ना, याद है?
Nice place.
क्या हाल हुआ था उसका। दोनों मीटिंग करेंगे क्या? म्यूलनियर। थॉर का हैमर, क्रेटोस का लवायथन एक्स। इतना शांति क्यों है? नहीं नहीं।
You could have told me before I poured. Why are you here? Just being polite.
ओडिन का मैसेंजर है क्या, क्रो?
You seem like a calm and reasonable person. Are you? A calm.
ये मूवी का लाइन नहीं लग रहा है?
If the moment calls for calm. I'd say the moment calls for calm. Yeah.
अब कौन आ गया? आई पैच ओडन है।
You know who I am? Back before winter set in, there were some misunderstandings. Regrettable ones.
जैसे कि?
But I think we all have a better idea of who we're dealing with. Now, what you did to his boys. Self-defense. Dying is what we Aesir live for. And let's be honest, they were kind of useless.
अच्छा, क्रेटोस ने जिसको मारा था और एट्रेस ने जिसे मारा ना,
But Baldur,
तीनों थॉर के सन थे वो लोग।
value. He was my best tracker, my closer. Yeah, his mind was gone,
बोल्डर
sure.
लास्ट बॉस था।
But he had his uses and now he's gone because of you. You follow me? You have a debt. You're no fun anymore.
What do you want?
मुझे फील हो रहा है कुछ डील आने वाला है.
How about peace? How does peace strike the esteemed, retired god of war? How about we just don't kill each other? How about you stay home, kick up your feet, seek no quarrel with me, and I'll have none with you. Of course, it means that one has to stop his search for Tyr.
Yeah.
ये डील जितना इजी लग रहा है उतना है नहीं.
Stop it.
Tyr's old ways are dead. He is dead. You understand? And then that's it. There was
टियर कौन है?
shit. I'll even sweeten the deal. I'll let you keep the prisoner that I know you stole. That's right. I know you're in here somewhere, you silver-tongued little shit.
Why should we believe a word of you? What of your problem?
मिमियर के बारे में बोल रहा है.
There he is, my old partner in crime.
He's lost weight.
If he tells you snow is white, he's lying.
What kind of wisdom is that? Can't the smartest head alive see past himself? See that we all want the same thing? All right. Here's a deal I know you can trust. I'll settle your debt with my ex. Keep
एक्स.
Freya off your back.
ओके फ्रेया.
Your boy safe. That's really all you want, isn't it? So what do you say?
इतना इजी नहीं होता है. और क्रेटोस इतना भी बेवकूफ नहीं है भाई. क्या होगा आंसर?
No.
प्लेन एंड सिंपल नो.
Don't take all day.
अच्छा लगता है फाइट सीन होने ही वाला है. रेडी हो जा क्रेटोस.
About time.
I've been waiting for this. You're not from here. We got a tradition called a blood payments. It means I get a piece of you for what you took from my family. You'll pick it up.
एक्स तो पीछे ही रह गया. अरे यार.
That was for Baldur. Now show me this god killer I've heard so much about.
अरे यार विदाउट एक्स. अरे
Fight with your brother. I don't care.
You can do better.
कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है इसको. अरे यार.
How were you ever a god of war?
Now,
यस. इस रेज मोड में धुलाई कर सकते हैं. कम ऑन. कम ऑन क्रेटोस.
you know my past.
The ghost of Sparta thing? Yeah.
एक्स को बुला रहे हैं.
Show me.
कम ऑन.
Now we got us a fight.
यार थॉर का पावर कुछ अलग ही लेवल का नहीं लग रहा है. अभी तक मिलनियर यूज नहीं कर रहा है थॉर. अच्छा इसको अपने वो नहीं कर सकते हैं. सील्ड नहीं कर सकते हैं अपने को. फाइनली मिलनियर यूज. अरे यार इतना पावरफुल हिट.
That's for Max. Sorry about your statue, Tyr, you preachy old
टियर का स्टैचू था.
If you're not fighting dirty, you're not fighting, right?
डॉज करके खेलना होगा. इसको पकड़ते फिर मारना है. डॉज डॉज डॉज। थॉर है पावरफुल लेकिन
Your son struck first! Was it luck? Did my son die to blind fucking luck?
मिलनियर है बहुत पावरफुल वेपन।
You think you can come here, become a daddy, get a clean slate? That ain't how it works. You're a destroyer, like me.
Come on. अरे
Oh,
खत्म।
I say when we're done. I'm not leaving till I see the real you. Get up!
थॉर इस फाइट को कुछ ज्यादा ही एंजॉय नहीं कर रहा है। अरे यार बच के जाना होगा। पकड़ लिया चार्ज करते टाइम। डॉज कर डॉज कर डॉज कर। अरे ब्लड बहुत कम हो गया है। पकड़ कैसे ले रहा है बार बार। यस R3।
This is for Modi! You put him last!
अरे यार ये सीन।
The fuck you say? Modi sought us in fear of you. He died of the wounds you gave him. Oh, we got a
मोदी जी हैं यहाँ पे।
This feels familiar. What? Don't matter.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टाइप कुछ लग रहा ही रहा।
Fatherly advice. I want to see the god of war.
भाई गॉड ऑफ वॉर को तू देखना नहीं चाहेगा। एक दो बार। अरे यार पकड़ लिया चार्ज करते टाइम फिर से। डॉज डॉज डॉज। सील्ड काम नहीं कर रहा है जब इस तरह से रेज में वार कर रहा है ना।
Clever won't beat me.
फाइनली रेज मिला मुझे। घूमने मत दे पीछे से ही मारते रहे। कंटिन्यू। कम ऑन क्रेटोस। क्रेटोस का ये सबसे पावरफुल अटैक। ब्लड भी फुल हो जाता है। डॉज 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 डॉज।
You insult me holding back like this.
क्रेटोस को रिचार्ज होने में टाइम लगता है ना।
Guess they don't come when you call. You started this. I see why my sons fell to you. Even this lesser version of you. But I am not my sons. And your boy, Allfather, has plans for him.
क्रेटोस के सन के बारे में बात करना नो नो।
There he is. There's the god of war. Consider your blood debt paid. Be seeing you.
थॉर ऐसे ही क्यों छोड़ के चला गया?
told you he'd make it.
Kratos! It's Sindri and Brock. That was quite a fight. Can we...
Oh, now! Odin is with Atreus.
Oh no.
ये ट्रेस को लेके चला जाएगा क्या कैप्चर करके?
Come on then. Ain't a long walk. Well, good to see you making new friends. Ain't that Mjolnir pack a punch? You know we made that hammer, right?
You have mentioned it.
I know that. Wasn't ever sure.
जल्दी वहां पहुंचना होगा.
At least it was good to see the axe hold her own. And
ऐसा नहीं हो कि ओडन जो है एट्रेस को लेके चला जाए या उसको कैप्चर कर ले.
All set. This'll get you home.
ain't he?
हम लोग दूसरे डेल्व में पहुंच गए थे क्या?
Hey, one last
ऐसा तो नहीं है.
timing. If you got Aesir at your door, then I
मैं भी बहुत दूर पहुंच गया हूँ.
stave's busted.
जल्दी जल्दी कम ऑन. अरे यार गेट के आर पार चले गए. अच्छा पीछे आके कहाँ है एड्रेस? नहीं है क्या? ओडन लगता है ले गया. नहीं अच्छा नहीं 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 यही है. दोनों यहीं पे हैं.
Are you hurt?
Are you?
What does he want?
To, pay for the roof. And he invited me to Asgard.
Did he? I couldn't hear once he went outside.
I told him no. Obviously.
Good.
क्रेटोस गुस्से में है.
Why were you searching for Tyr?
If I told you I was looking for him, you would have said not to.
So you hid the truth from me.
I wanted to tell you. I really did, but now that you know, there's something you should see.
No.
Just trust me, you'll want to.
Trust! You have broken my trust.
Then let me regain it. Let me show you what I found. Besides, we haven't seen the last of Odin or Thor. And clearly they can just walk in and blast holes in our home whenever they want. There's only one way to get them off our backs. And I think I know how. Sir.
जो टिपिकल रिलेशनशिप होता है ना एक फादर और सन का, इस पार्ट में एक्चुअल में समझ में आ रहा है. नहीं, फादर के वरीज कुछ और हैं. ओह फाइनली.
Zoe. Are you ready? Go.
And keep the change, you bastard!
He's averted Ragnarok.
लेकिन एड्रेस लेके कहाँ जा रहा है?
You think he knows all the giants are dead?
I'm more concerned that it no longer matters to him. What's he up to?
What happened here?
यहाँ क्या हुआ है?
Are raiders warring with one another now?
Those are not their arrows. Something else is out here.
Dad,
कुछ अलग तरह का एनिमी.
calling me here. Whoa, that one's still alive.
No. Look closer.
Hell Raiders now?
क्या है?
Who's doing this?
Suppose it's too much to hope that an enemy of theirs will be a friend of ours.
Should have warned me. Nista!
वाइट वॉकर टाइप का नहीं लग रहा है एनिमी. गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स वाला वाइट वॉकर.
Seriously, who'd be stringing up raiders like that?
ये कैसे? I mean, एक्चुअली उसी की तरफ मर जाने के बाद फिर ये लोग वाइट वॉकर्स बन रहे हैं। ब्लेड्स ऑफ केओस से इसके साथ फाइट करना होगा क्योंकि लेविएथन एक्स का जो नेचर है ना वो आइस का है, तो आइस से आइस को नहीं मार सकते हम लोग।
Wasn't me. Remember when I said there was someone who might help us get answers about the giants and Loki?
You mean Tyr, the old god of war in these lands, who is dead?
Well, for a
कि
dead man,
टीयर गॉड ऑफ वॉर था।
keen on seeing he wasn't found.
Right? He knows Tyr could unite the realms against him. Plus, Tyr was the giant's greatest ally. So,
Enough.
ये केव के अंदर इतना लाइट कहाँ से है?
look out!
ये बॉस टाइप है कुछ। अरे R3 मिस हो गया।
Well, you returned from the dead rather swiftly, don't you?
Nista!
ये नॉर्मल रेडर के साथ आइस रेडर कहाँ से? अरे यार 2 टुकड़ा कर दिया सीधे। ये हम लोग जा कहाँ रहे हैं? कुछ
That pillar wasn't in the way last time I came.
इतना पावर। यहाँ से जंप कर सकते हैं शायद।
Like I was
हाँ
saying,
जंप हो सकता है।
Tyr was an ally to the giants. So he'd be on our side if we find him. And if anyone might know who I'm supposed to be, it's him. If he's out there, we gotta find him.
यहाँ से तो नहीं लगता है अपने को जाना है।
If Atreus, what do you know?
You'll see soon.
नहीं नीचे जाने नहीं दे रहा है। अच्छा एक्स से उसको ब्रेक करके यहाँ से जिप लाइन करके जाना होगा।
What do you think?
Can't imagine what the lad's found, but he says he has evidence. We've come this far. Let's see it.
Many dead here.
We should keep moving.
Blade!
Father, use your blade! Burn them! Got him!
मुझे लगता है कि लेविएथन एक्स नहीं मतलब ब्लेड ऑफ केओस को भी जल्दी से अपग्रेड करना होगा। यार एक के बाद एक आते जा रहे हैं। एट्रेस के आने के बाद से ये एक फ़ायदा हो रहा है, दूर का जो एनिमी है ना, ब्लड वापस से बिल्डअप कर लूँ एक बार।
Isn't it nice how Fimbulwinter wore down all the helpful magic we acquired? Yet somehow new terrors only flourish. As if on cue.
We climb.
On it.
मुझे याद है इसके पहले वाले पार्ट में क्रेटोस के बैक पे चढ़ के रहता था ना एट्रियस, अब वो खुद से चढ़ जा रहा है ऊपर।
Yet another grisly scene.
Need some.
रिचार्ज होने से ना फायदा होता है। ये नया तरह का अटैक था। सही टाइम पे पैरी नहीं हुआ।
Behind you, watch out! I've seen my share of bloodshed, but this is an awful lot for one more. Brother!
ये कौन है?
A stalker!
ये मिनिटोर टाइप का कुछ।
We found our predator!
इतनी जल्दी सेकंड बॉस फाइट, थर्ड बॉस फाइट आई मीन।
Its horns are glowing. Might be a weak point.
अच्छा, हॉर्न्स पे हिट करना है। अरे यार। ओके। हॉर्न पे अगर अपने हिट करते हैं ना, तभी जाके वो गिरेगा नीचे। इसमें अगर रेज आ जाता ना तो मजा आ जाता। फिर से हॉर्न ब्लो कर सकता। जल्दी उठ भी जा रहा है।
Bloody terrific. Fimbulwinter Freya, the raiders storm Odin's barging in, and now stalkers preying in our woods. This is no safe haven.
इस बॉस को फाइट करने में मजा तो आया, लेकिन आस्ते आस्ते ना मूवमेंट में फ्लुएंसी आ रहा है।
The shield Mom gave.
नहीं तो स्टार्टिंग में नॉर्मल फाइट करने में भी मुश्किल हो रहा था मुझे।
Perhaps the dwarves could take a look at it.
Perhaps. Later.
Come on, we can get in this way.
Why are we here, Atreus?
Okay. You remember all those shrines we found, telling the stories of giants? How the panel on the left would be their origin, and the panel on the right would be their fate?
Yes. We found many. I have seen them.
Well, there's more to them than we realized. Here we go. Come on.
ये क्या है? कुछ गेट टाइप का लग रहा है ना? पेंटिंग।
You watching?
Well, that's new.
इसके अंदर जा सकते हैं क्या?
Come on.
Atreus, wait!
Yeah, I don't think he's waiting. What is this?
ये कौन सा realm है?
Where are we?
Somewhere only giants were meant to see. These shrines tell their stories to the world. But it turns out the real stories, the secret stories, those they kept here, inside. You remember the story of Skull and Hati? The wolf giants? Odin captured them because he thinks it'll help him control when Ragnarok starts.
I remember.
But that's not the whole story. See, this shows the giants setting Skull and Hati free.
They're free. Is this the past or the future?
Depends when you're looking at it.
Spoken like a giant.
See? The wolves are safe. Somewhere in Vanaheim.
Not the first place Odin would look, I suppose.
There they are, chasing the sun and moon.
Old habits.
Until, look, the moon gets stolen. Somehow.
Atreus.
See? Hati's got nothing to chase.
And they say celestial theft is a victimless crime.
Not totally sure who this is, but someone comes along and rescues the moon. And then, the moon blocks out the sun.
A total eclipse. I haven't seen one of those in 100 winters.
But then they chase an arrow, and things go back to normal.
What does any of this have to do
We're
with...
coming to that. Look, here's Ragnarok. Do you see who's leading the armies against Odin? That's Tyr. If he's gonna be around at Ragnarok, that means he's gotta be alive. Right?
Mimir, can this be?
Odin told me he killed Tyr, and he trusted me at the time.
रैग्नारॉक के लिए टीयर का नीड है.
What if he didn't kill him? What if he's just had him locked up somewhere all this time?
We are back to ifs. Enough.
Wait,
We are going home.
wait! I have one more thing to show you. It's just out here.
प्रिंस ऑफ पर्सिया का जो सैंड्स ऑफ टाइम है ना, उसके जैसा अंदर लग रहा था श्राइन के अंदर.
What is this?
Everything I found. Well,
हाइड्रोग्लिफ्स. ये क्या है?
That's giant craftsmanship. You've been to Jotunheim again?
no. I found it in one of the other shrines.
Others, right? How many have you visited?
Well, all of them? All the ones I could still get to in Midgard anyway. I don't know what it is. But it's important. Just like all this. When I was inside one of the shrines, I saw an image of Tyr imprisoned. But I couldn't tell where. There are hints inside the other shrines. He mentioned black smoke and the bleeding earth. But we could never figure out exactly.
We.
Yeah, Sindri's been helping me.
सिंड्री तू गया भाई.
I talked him into it. It wasn't his idea. I just needed someone to watch my back.
क्रेटोस सोच क्या रहा है?
Bleeding earth. Could the prison be in Muspelheim?
Unlikely. Odin's got no presence to speak of in the primordial realms. But the Bleeding Earth? Sounds like a mine, aye.
The realm of the dwarves, perhaps.
Svartalfheim, that's a good bet. Their mines did build
Svartalfheim.
and Odin's had his thumb on the dwarves for a very long time.
That's it then. Tyr's in Svartalfheim somewhere, imprisoned in a mine. So, what now?
Home.
This way.
बेसिकली श्राइन से कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन जो हमें मिला है
How do you have us getting to
वो
Svartalfheim?
ये है कि टीयर शायद
Odin's had all travel between realms.
उसका डेथ नहीं हुआ है, वो अभी जिंदा है.
Sindri said he had an idea or two about that.
Sindri is full of ideas.
Brother!
अरे यार भूल गया था मैं. सील्ड है ही नहीं अपने पास. सो मैं बोल रहा था कि टियर का डाउट है कि शायद वो जिंदा है, और टियर को ढूंढने के लिए हम लोग को जाना होगा टू द रेल्म ऑफ डॉर्फ्स।
Is that Atreus? It's been so long. How you?
भाई तू एक्टिंग कर रहा है।
Oh, yeah.
Well, if you'll follow me, Brock mentioned you needed somewhere safe to spend the night, and
ये
I believe
जिस तरह से वो रन करता है सिंड्री,
help you out with that.
फनी लगता है ना।
We're still your favorite dwarves, right?
You're still the only dwarves we know.
I'll take it. After you, my friends.
तो बेसिकली हम लोग घर में अब रुक नहीं सकते हैं, वो अब सेफ नहीं है। सिंड्री लेके कहाँ जा रहा है हम लोगों को?
Cabin in all the 9 realms, and I'd prefer it to stay that way. Not looking at anyone in particular. Kratos. As you can see, we've settled here in the realm between realms.
ओके, सिंड्री का घर है ये।
Safe from Fimbulwinter, safe from Odin's eyes. And you really can't beat the view if you're into shimmering gray voids.
That's amazing, Sin. We have a plan to talk to you about, actually.
Intriguing.
ये एपिसोड हम लोग यहीं तक रखते हैं। आई होप ये सीरीज़ आपको पसंद आ रहा है। अगर आ रहा है तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।